So hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another day of me becoming an AI engineer. I know it's been a while since the series has been launched and I haven't uploaded the next video. The main reason of that was I was busy in many hackathons and all those things. So currently I am free with the what do you say? Currently I have nothing to do right now. I mean, no hackathons, no nothing, and my college has been shut due to the fee reimbursement going on in Telangana. So all private colleges are shut unless and until government pays back around 5,000 CR. The college won't start. So yeah, so our colleges are dead. Aren't opened. So they're shut down. What am I saying? Okay. So what's today? So today we are trying to complete the Udemy's Python course. So in that things we were left is object-oriented programming, and uh, the modules, external modules like NumPy and all those things, NumPy, Matplotlib, and then we have multi-threading and multiprocessing in Python, which we need to complete that. And after that, we will just start with the mathematics, which is in the course. So before that, now let's have a quick setup change. So this is the pretty good and pretty decent setup, guys. I don't know why my keyboard ain't turning on. So yeah, you might see that color difference. This one is a little bit brighter than this one, because this is an LED, LCD and this is an liquid retina display. So yeah, there's a color difference, a huge color difference. I don't know why. Probably. Okay. So this is the pretty decent setup right now I'm using. There's a little bit of gap, but when we sit and work, there is no huge difference upon that. So yeah, and I'm using this bad boy for note taking now. This is yep. Yeah, the text might be a little bit big, but right now we are at the classes and objects, so we need to complete this one. And then in advanced Python, we have iterators, generators with practical implementation, function copy, closures, and decorators, advanced Python practice questions and solutions. Then we have data analysis, so we are gonna start with the NumPy. So yeah, the basic complete NumPy. So yeah, so we'll start with this one. So yeah, let's go. So I have just done till, yeah, the video can't be visible because of the Udemy's protection. So I have completed till the advanced Python. So section 11 is done, and these are the notes of the the complete Python notes which I have written across the lectures which I gone through, and yeah, these class notes also. Okay, sorry, my screen is flickering. Okay, and these are the practice questions. So what are we gonna do is, okay, never mind, leave that. So yeah, all these practice questions and the solutions will be done at the end of the lecture. So today's goal is to complete till the logging function, so that we complete the logging assignments. Then we have, yeah, SQLite assignments and data analysis with Python assignment and solution. So yeah, we'll have a good, what do we say, good practice about these questions. And yeah, so I've already done around 2 hours of this course. And this was 1 hour 56 minutes, yeah, approximately. So now let's begin. So guys, it's 5 540. Yeah, it's currently 540. And I have done NumPys, and I've just completed NumPys. It was only around 28 minutes. In that lecture, I mean, it only covered the basic part of that. So it's 4 a.m. in the morning, and I just woke up. And yeah, it's been a while since I recorded after that because my college again started. So actually, I have completed till few Python, I mean, NumPy lectures, and now I'm gonna go back and start working on the assignments because NumPy lecture, I mean, the complete NumPy module is gonna take a lot of time. So what I will do, I'll just go first solve the assignment problems from the course. That's that one, and then we'll meet again. Okay, so guys, I have completed till inheritance assignment. I have did around 30 questions in this while. Actually, what happened, I took a 2 weeks of break due to my mid exams. So I only did around 30 assignment questions which were given in OOPS classes, which is class objects, and then another was inheritance. The left out ones were iter generators and decorators. These were left, and then another advanced questions of object oriented program were left. So now what we are gonna do is nothing, but actually we are gonna start I mean the course again. So we have done till two sessions, I mean 2 sections of the assignments. 2 more sections are left to go, so which will be completing along with the assignments of NumPy and data analysis, which I'll show you in a bit. So currently we completed our NumPy in Python, and now we are gonna start with the pandas and the DataFrame and series. Then we'll start data manipulation. I mean, we'll complete this lecture, and then along with that we will do the assignments of 3: object oriented and the data analysis, pandas and numpys. So this is a plan, so we are gonna start working on this. So let's go and let's start learning. So guys, so guys, I have just completed data manipulation with pandas. So yeah, we have completed the pandas and numpy's basic completely, and now the only thing is left is data manipulation using both pandas and numpy integrated together. What the first 2 lectures, which consisted of only NumPy separate and panda separate, and this one is only with this one is a combination of both, using both simultaneously. And then then at last we are left with reading data from various data sources using pandas, and data visualization using matplotlib and seaborn. Then that's it, we will be finished with that. So I'm gonna end this video here right itself and continue the other parts in the next video. So till then, everybody, take care, bye bye, signing off.